Rồi là ngắm động mày.
They abuse my feelings. They abuse my feelings. They wanna see me burn in this hellbound place, but that ain't gonna happen, no way. Fight my demons, I'ma kill them for real this time. I'ma kill them for real this time. I ain't got no time for them in my life. So when I'm standing on a battlefield and all the pain's real, I hope I finally found the strength to kill them all. War paint on my face now, cause I can't let these motherfuckers win. Cause who the fuck would I be if I let them control my life and fuck everything I try to build up? Ain't no need to fight them up for real this time, cause they only wasting my time. Cause I've been using all my time in this fight, a fight nobody else can see. They say these demons ain't real, but it feels so real. Pain I feel. They abuse my feelings. They wanna see me burn in this hellbound place, but that ain't gonna happen, no way. Fight my demons, I'ma kill them for real this time. I'ma kill them for real this time. I ain't got no time for them in my life. I really ain't trying to concern you. Lately I've been a mess, and it's been pretty concerning how all my colors turn gray. I hate when shit is out of my control, and lately shit been out of my control. So I've been running fast in my head, trying to raise these thoughts, yeah, trying to find peace inside, but that shit's been hard to find. I cannot see it here, I cannot see it here. So I need to get away. Don't miss me too much, I know I'm gonna miss you, darling. Don't miss me too much, I know I'm gonna miss you, darling. Forever in my heart, but I need a new start, and find the happy me again. Clear sky, yeah, there will be, and one day I'll come home a better me. I really ain't trying to concern you, but lately I've been a mess, and it's been pretty concerning that all these colors turn gray. They say you can't find happiness where you've lost it, and I've lost it here. I cannot see it here, I cannot see it here. So I need to get away. Don't miss me too much, I know I'm gonna miss you, darling. Don't miss me too much, I know I'm gonna miss you, darling. Forever in my heart, but I need a new start, and find the happy me again. Clear sky, yeah, there will be, and one day I'll come home and better me. Now I'll be over the hills and far away. hills and far away. I'll be over the hills and far away. But don't miss me too much. I know I'm gonna miss you, darling. Don't miss me too much. I know I'm gonna miss you, darling. Forever in my heart, but I need a new start. I tell you that everything will be okay. And I will never lie to you, baby. Yeah, for you I go hard. Yeah, for us I go hard. It's never too late, I swear. Let's get away from here. Let's get out from the dark. Cause we don't wanna be here. Let's make it a life to remember. You make me remember everything that's good in this life. You the definition of my paradise. So I won't stop till we make it to paradise. You and I go hard every day till I get paid. So I can get us the fuck away. To a better day, cause you deserve it. I know you like me, fighting demons like me. And I hate to see you frown, but I promise you I tell you that everything will be okay. And I will never lie to you, baby. Yeah, for you I go hard. Yeah, for us I go hard. It's never too late, I swear. Let's get away from here. Let's find a place in the sun where we belong. Yeah, we're tired of the hurt, but one thing for certain, I won't stop till we walk on the streets of gold. Yeah, it's cold here, but we'll make it to warmer places, I swear. I know you like me, fighting demons like me. And I hate to see you frown, but I promise you I tell you that everything will be okay. And I will never lie to you, baby. Yeah, for you I go hard. Yeah, for us I go hard. It's never too late, I swear. Let's get away from here.
Are we gonna play now? Ready for the show? I'm about to take down, you already know. Get the fuck out of my face now, yeah, you gotta go. Man, I'm on the chase now, leave me on my own. I got a chance to break now, here I fucking go. Take control of fate now, I control the flow. And I know that I'll be great, how putting on a show. I know that I'ma stay loud, drowning out the nose. The haters always thinking that they could fucking break me. They're better off eating their own words like pastries. Hate me, and you better find some fucking safety. I'm coming in hot like a bad bitch in pasties. They can't save me, no I ain't lazy, no. But society has me going so crazy, yo. Don't blame me, no my mind's hazy, yo. And I'm sick of me feeling this way daily. My life till it's over, and I will not forgive those who hold me down. And I will never give up, I'm moving forward. And I will never miss my chance, take it now. And I will always live my life till it's over. And I will never give those who hold me down. enjoy the climb, ayy, enjoy the grind, ayy. You never really know what's on the other side till you give that shit a try. Know the limit is the sky, ayy. Make them take it back, what they said about you. Every time they doubt you, make that shit about you. Forget about the clout, yo, fuck the word of mouth, yo. Keep your head down, yo, work until you found, yo. Fight until you make it, yo, don't think it, no, just take it. Don't wait for someone to break it, take control, then don't just fake it, ayy. You can make it happen, you just gotta take some action. Take the ship and be the captain, head on out and don't look back, yeah. I will always live my life till it's over, and I will not forget those who hold me down. And I will never give up, I'm moving forward, and I will never miss my chance, take it now. And I will always live my life till it's over, and I will never forget those who hold me down. And I will never give up, I'm moving forward, and I will never miss my chance, take it now. Growing up, parents got me a guitar. Said you could do anything, kid, you could go far. You could be the president, fireman, race cars. The sky's the limit, kid, so shoot for the stars. So I strummed that guitar every day. Found the passion for music never went away. I joined a couple bands and played a few shows. Tried to impress the girl in the front row. But soon enough, everything starts to change. As you grow up, nobody treats you the same. They try to take your future and make it real safe. You could be a doctor, accountant, or something sane. But yo, whatever happened to the sky was the limit. I fell in love with music, never thought it was a gimmick. I worked so hard on every tune and every single lyric. My whole identity depended on being artistic. Now you wanna strip that away, so you feel okay? Cause if I make it to the top, what does that really say? That you shouldn't have given up, that you made the mistake? But if I fail, you feel much better about picking your lane, right? Yeah, things are gonna get better real soon. Yeah, I'ma just do me, you just do you. I swear it's gonna get better real soon. Don't let anyone tell you what you should do. I got a clear view, we're gonna make it soon. Just keep pushing through. You're what you got to lose. You're what you got to lose. You're what you got to lose. Just keep pushing through. Cause what you got to lose, 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 got to lose. I won't give up, I won't back down till the line 6 feet underneath the deep ground. I won't give up, I won't back down. There's nobody stopping me except for me now. I won't give up, I won't back down till the line 6 feet underneath the deep ground. I won't give up, I won't back down. There's nobody stopping me except for me now. First blood.